Alex Pszczola, Leapfrog Fight TV here at JackHammer UK with Martynas Jagutis, who has just won the ISKA Four Nations title. How you feeling, bro?
Feeling amazing. Didn't expect to fight Bearshin. Got an offer of 5 minute notice to fight Bearshin, semi-pro rules. Took it and got the first round stoppage. So.
Not the greatest way to win a fight.
No.
That was shaping up to be a proper good scrap, that was. Nevertheless, a win's a win.
Yeah, he was throwing. I knew from his last fights he throws heavy leg kicks. So I knew if I could check one and he lands one in the knee, it's going to be the same result every time. So I think it's down to him to throw proper leg kicks, not just blast them in. Hoping it takes me out. But I know how to check leg kicks. Every fight, people try to take my leg. I've gotten good at checking, turning the knee into it, and there's the result here.
What were your corner telling you? Not that you had much corner time, but what was that the game plan?
They were telling me to check the kicks. We knew he was going to throw heavy leg kicks. I checked one. I think when he threw the inside kick, I could tell it didn't land great.
Tell you
Sure.
What's next for you?
Anything, man.
You just want to keep active, keep busy.
Active, yeah. Last year I had 9 fights. This is my 3rd fight this year. I can fight every week, every month. I didn't take any damage. Landed some good shots, but.
What's your record now?
In K1, 11 wins, 1 loss, 2 draws, and then full contact. I've a good few losses there now.
Yeah.
It's not my.
For K1.
Yeah, K1. I fought here last year in full contact. Just take the fights they give me. Fought Scott. I fought earlier this guard. He's a good fighter, so if I fight for full contact, it's find the top guys as well.
Great show, JackHammer UK. Great platform to fight on.
It's a great platform for amateurs to get on. The venue is just amazing. Just to get an opportunity to fight, not once but twice on such a setup. It's amazing.
Anyone you want to shout out before we go?
Yeah, everyone on my team, the sparring and rounds, and even Chris. He came up and gave me an offer to fight Bearshin. Short notice. Don't know if he expected me.
You're a fighter, mate, aren't you?
That's the life.
Alex Pszczola, Leapfrog Fight TV. Well done, bro.
Thank you.